Hi, I have this weird problem with this LG washer on a slight imbalance, even not that much. It scrapes in the back. This is the back plate for the motor, and you can see the scrape marks on it. And it also, the motor on the side of the motor will hit the frame on the side of the opening. And you know, for a couple of years I ran this thing on a generator, and so it was really impossible to hear anything. But now that I'm running it on solar, it's very quiet, and you know, you hear everything. So this is my temporary fix. I took a couple bungee cords, and basically I wanted to pull it forward a little bit and up, and this seems to do the trick. But you know, I'm wondering what the real problem is. There's a spring on each side, and on the bottom they have 3 shock absorbers, and those seem all intact. There's no problem I can see with them, and I don't think they really have springs in them. So you know, I don't know if this happens to other machines. I'd be interested to know. So anyways, here's the motor. Now this would stick out almost another 3/4 inch out, and it would scrape on the side here against that frame. And this hasn't been hit in the back or anything that I could see that would put it out of place. So yeah, it's a fix. I don't know. Anyone has any experience with this? The only thing I could imagine is the spring on this side. It lost some of its tension, but that's kind of hard to believe. But this thing was really out of kilter, and this fixes it. I don't like the idea, but it works for now. So if anyone knows anything about this, be interested here. Thanks for watching.